Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we'll see the waterfall chart in Power BI desktop and we'll see it in detail what is waterfall chart in Power BI and when to use it. Okay, so a waterfall chart shows a running total as values are added or subtracted from any particular uh, field. Like if we have the data and we have to see like by which particular category it is increasing and by which particular category it is decreasing. Okay, so we'll able to see that particular increasing and decreasing order in this waterfall chart. For understanding how an initial value, for example net income, is affected by a series of positive and negative values. Okay, so let's see it in the Power BI desktop how to create it, and we'll understand it in detail. Okay, so let's see. For creating waterfall chart, we have to click over here on this waterfall chart visual. After clicking over here, we have to add the fields in this particular section. So in the category we can add the regions. In the breakdown we can add the ship mode, and in the values we can add the sales value. Okay, so in this way we can add these fields over here, and we are able to see like sales by region and the ship mode. So it shows the green color shows the increasing order and this red color is shows the decreasing order, and this particular is total of this particular region, and this is other. Okay, so here by using this waterfall chart we are able to analyze like in the east region the sales is sales is increasing by using the delivery truck and express air ship mode. Okay, and by using the regular air mode it is decreasing. So like see here it is in a red color, so it is decreasing. Okay, so it is the sales change is minus 43,472.40, so it is minus 9.19 percentage decreasing. Like from this particular 23 percentage it is decreasing by minus 9.19 percentage. Okay, and in this way we can see like here also it is decreasing in the west region. By using the regular air delivery truck and the express air it is decreasing only, and in the central it is like increasing in the express air, and other categories are decreasing. Okay, so in this way we are able to analyze the data by using the waterfall chart. Okay, so in this way we'll create this waterfall chart, and next to a visual we'll see the funnel chart. Okay, so up to that please don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my upcoming videos, and please check my description for my other playlist for the real time projects and the task in Power BI. And thank you so much for watching these videos.